Hey YouTube, probably this, but anyway, I'm going to be getting revenge on my friend today for getting my hair cut. Yay! Anyways, in order to do the revenge, I'm going to be acting like a boy. That's why I love this recut. I haven't brushed my hair, so sorry. I woke up just like at 8:40, no, 59. Anyways, I won't be this good up. I'm almost getting cut because these hairs right here, they're like making me scratch my neck raw. It's really annoying. So yeah, it's going to be cut and dyed black. No, not black, but back to blonde. That's not originally blonde. Anyways, we just move on. I'm gonna be a guy, of course. What kind of a guy? No. Anyways, my last plan of being a guy to her face, because she recognized me in my red hair. It looks different. Oh well. Yeah, anyways. So now I'm getting my revenge now. I'm babbling. I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm going to be talking like a guy too, so I might as well make a video about how to talk like a guy for girls or guys who wants to talk like a girl or a guy. Okay. Just getting yourself on the spot. Only 2 minutes out. Okay. Back to the thing. Not all the way. Anyways, I'm babbling again, I'm sorry. Anyways, to be a guy or a girl, what age do you want to be? Because as we get older, as guys get older, their guy voice gets deeper. Your girl voice can get higher, I guess. I don't know what I was talking about. Anyways, when they're kind of young, it's okay to talk a bit higher. And if they're teenagers, kind of deeper. If they're really old, deep. This is a weird moment. I'm sorry. So, a young, like 5 to 12-year-old guy, I'm going to try. Yeah. This is kind of how they would talk. Kind of shy a bit, I guess. Sorry if it's a really bad voice. I'm sorry. Like I said, maybe the top of the spot. I love the voices. I'm sorry. I need to plan things out better. I'm gonna make a video anyways. Getting off track again. Can't babble. From like a 12 to 19-year-old, I guess. Their voice gets really deep, and don't make it so deep, but still like a man, because they're still kind of really sensitive. They're adolescents, and as they get older, their voice gets deeper and deeper. So yeah, there's that. And for an older man who do kind of a deep voice, it's okay to have it a bit higher. And it's okay if we're going off my voices. Make sure you listen to other guys' voices and match it to theirs a bit, because I'm making it up on the spot. I will do better when I meet my friend as the guy. Anyways, For a girl's voice, it's kind of a higher pitch. And as they get higher, kind of a high-low pitch. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a girl too, and I don't even know what my voice sounds like. Anyway, I'm babbling again. For a young girl, it's kinda low, but still shy since they're little kids. And yeah, and that's again from the 5 to 12 year age, from the 12 to 19 year age, yeah. It gets kind of higher. I lost my voice for around 13, 15. So voices don't change like dramatically, like from this to this to this. They usually don't. Girl voices aren't like that high unless they're singing. So yeah. So this folder is just kind of a higher pitch of it. Yeah. And for all you guys, for everyone who wants to know why I'm getting revenge, it's because my friend pushed me off a skateboard. Mean.